Hello students, we are in the chapter triangles, exercise 6.2. We have taken a question, let us read it. This is the figure of it. In figure, DE, this DE parallel to OQ, these two are parallel, and DF is parallel to OR. Alright, and we have to show that EF is parallel to QR. This is the thing. So let us start. Now let us use the given thing one by one. This is in which triangle? Let us find out. DE parallel to OQ. This is in which triangle? In triangle. Let us draw the triangle here. In DE parallel OQ. These two are parallel. This is in triangle PQO. Okay, so these two are parallel. It is E, it is D. Okay, so in triangle PQO, DE is parallel to OQ. So by BPT, we have what we have? PE by QE is equal to PD by OD. PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. This is equation 1. Alright. Now DF is parallel to OR. This is in which triangle? DF is parallel to OR. This is in triangle POR. So let us draw the triangle. POR. POR. So this is D and this is F. Okay. So in triangle POR, DF, this one we are using now, DF is parallel to OR. By BPT, we have this by this equal to this by this. PD by DO. PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. PF by FR. This is equation 2. Now let us compare equation 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2, we get this is PD by DO, PD by DO, they are equal. So we can get this equal to this. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Okay? We have got PE, this by this, EQ, PF by FR. Now this is in which triangle? So in triangle PQR, we have PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Okay, so what we have got? PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So by converse, you see, as they are equal, so by converse of BPT, we can write this and these are parallel. So by converse of BPT, we have EF is parallel to QR. Have you understood, student? Now let us take one more. Student, we have taken a very interesting question in this figure. ABC are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that P is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to TR. Alright, and we have to show that BC and QR are parallel. Alright, student. So let us see how to do this. Now here we will use this at first. AB and PQ are parallel. AB parallel to PQ is in which triangle? Triangle OPQ. This is all the application of BPT. In triangle OPQ, which two are parallel? AB parallel to PQ. AB parallel PQ. By BPT, we have, let us draw the figure so that you can understand very easily. it is OPQ. AB parallel to PQ given. AB parallel to PQ. As they are parallel, so as they are parallel, we can write this by this equal to this by this. OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. This is equation 1. Now next part, this is used, now this is left. AC parallel PR. AC parallel PR. This is in triangle OPR. In triangle OPR, AC is parallel to PR. By BPT, we have the other figure OPR. OPR. Something is parallel. What is parallel? AC parallel PR. AC parallel PR. So let us apply your BPT here. So we have OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. This is equation 2. Now let us compare equation 1 and 2. OA by AP, this is also OA by AP. So from 1 and 2 what we get? From equations 1 and 2 we get, as they are equal, so they are also equal. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. You see, OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. This is in which triangle? Clearly it is in triangle OQR. Thus, in triangle OQR, we have OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. So, by converse of BPT, we have, you can see, this by this equal to this by this. As the ratios are equal, so lines are parallel. Therefore, we have BC parallel to QR. Okay, that's what we have proved. Understood? Here we have got a very interesting question. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO, show that ABCD is a trapezium. So before solving, let us draw the quadrilateral. As ultimately it will be a trapezium, so let us draw the shape of a trapezium so that it will be very easier for us to prove it. ABCD is a quadrilateral. The diagonals intersect. O. The diagonals intersect at O. Okay. Now AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This is given. Alright. So before proving it, let us do some construction. Because here you see what we are doing the BPT and the converse of BPT. So there parallel line is required. So let us draw a parallel line. So this is E. Let us draw these two are parallel. EO is drawn parallel to AB. EO parallel to AB is drawn. Let us prove. Okay. Now, as they are parallel, so they are parallel in which triangle? In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, EO is parallel to AB. Okay, so by BPT, we have, as they are parallel, so we can write this by this equal to this by this. We have DE by EA is equal to DO by BO. Alright student, this is the application of BPT. Next, we shall use the given part. This is very simple sum, you will see. Is equal to, now what is DO by BO? DO by BO. You see, here I am simplifying here. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Okay, so let us bring this DO here, so AO will be here. Okay, their product is equal. This is CO and this is BO. So DO, we need DO by BO. So DO by BO equal to CO by AO. This is CO by AO. What is the reason? Since given. Alright. Now this is in which triangle? DE by EA is equal to CO by AO. Thus, in triangle ADC we have, say this is equation 1, we have this by this. What is written here? You see, let us take a reciprocal of this, then it will be easier for us. AE by DE. AE by DE, we are taking the reciprocal, so we have to take the reciprocal on both the sides. AO by CO. This by this equal to this by this. So these two are parallel. Therefore, EO is parallel to DC. What is the reason? By converse of BPT. Alright, now next part let us do here. Alright, so here we have EO parallel AB, reason by construction, and also EO parallel DC proved above. You write, because we will do in this way, so we will write proved above. So from these two what we get? Therefore EO parallel to AB, also EO parallel to DC. Ultimately these two are parallel. AB parallel DC. Thus in quadrilateral ABCD, AB and DC are parallel. So this is a condition of a trapezium. Therefore ABCD is a right trapezium. Thus we have proved. Okay. Thank you, students.